Hello friends and welcome back to the Legend channel. So friends, today we will talk about Minisforum 1.8 liter mini PC with Ryzen 9 9955HX processor at 839 US dollars. So friend, the Minisforum announced a 1.8 liter PC chassis with MS-A2 model and the price is without memory and storage. So friend, Minisforum announced the update to its mini workstation lineup. The MS-A2 marks a return to mobile platform now supporting Ryzen 9 9955HX and 7945HX processor in both 16-core chip featuring either Generation 5 and Generation 4 architecture, and these are mobile processor but are essentially desktop CPU for mobile socket, and as a result user cannot upgrade the CPU once they choose a platform, but they benefit from a dedicated cooling solution and up to 100 watt support according to the company. So friend, Minisforum is bringing back two SFP Plus for dual 10 gigabit networking return, but this comes at the cost reduced M.2 slot support now limited to 3, and support for discrete GPU is retained through still limited to the PCIe 4.0 specification. The system recommended low-profile, half-height GPU and providing flexibility for user running applications such as Plex server with hardware decoding. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.